Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cece and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make the perfect nude pink lip gloss. If you want to see how I did these glosses, just keep on watching. The pigment I'm using is a very bright pink from TKB Trading. I cannot tell you guys the exact name, but it is a bright pink. Anyone will do. Then I'm just going to be adding some oils. I am going to be mixing this in a little cup. These cups can be found on Amazon, and I will leave the link down below. The oils I'll be using is castor oil, vitamin E oil, coconut oil, grapeseed oil, and almond oil. The exact measurement I use is a 1/4 cup, so the little spoon is a 1/4. I'm gonna go ahead and mix that all up together. I was making the 8-ounce jars, so I ended up adding some more oils, but if you're only doing a small amount, this will be perfectly fine for you. But like I said, I did more oils off camera. Now I am using a dark brown pigment from TKB Trading as well. I cannot tell you the exact name, but I am using the same 1/4 spoon, and then I'm going to be adding all my oils once again and mixing that up. I want the brown to be a little light, so I will be using a white pigment from TKB Trading, and as you guys can see, I am using the same 1/4 cup. Now I'm just going to be mixing that together until it gets as light as I want. If it's not light enough, then you will add more white pigment. Now I am pouring the same pink pigment into my Versagel. It looks red on camera, but it's really a really hot pink, a really bright pink. So yeah. Now I'm adding the light brown into the same container, and I'm just going to be mixing that all together. Just a quick disclaimer, the oils that I use in the little cups are all the oils that I did use in this lip gloss. The Versagel was not pre-mixed or anything, it was just the raw Versagel, it was no oils in there. Now I'm using my polyisobutene. I use this in all my lip glosses. It gives it an extra shine, and it also makes your lip gloss smoother. All my flavoring oils are from Get Sucker, and for this one I'll be using the watermelon flavor. I'm going to be making 2 lip glosses with the same pigment. Stay tuned for the next color, but I'm just going to be pouring that into 8-ounce jars. These jars can be found on my website, and I will leave the link down below. Now moving on to the next lip gloss color, I'll be using the same pink pigment, and I'm using a cup I already used. I did make another jar before the video, so I'll be using the same cup. No need to change up the cups. And I will just be adding all the oils I mentioned before and mixing that all up together. So this is how you will get a different shade of pink. I'm going to be mixing the white pigment in here as well as in the brown pigment and later on in the video. Now I'm taking the leftover from the brown pigment, applying it into the 1/4 cup and then mixing that together. This is literally my favorite flavor to use in my lip glosses. I use it a lot and it's a cherry vanilla flavor. Now I'm just going to be pouring that mixture that I made before into the Versagel. Remember, the Versagel is not mixed. All the oils that I used in the little cup is all the oils I will be using. Just a quick tip, the more pigment you add to your lip gloss, the more it will show up on your lips. So if this color doesn't show up the first time you make it, you just repeat the same steps 2 to 3 times and you should get it to show up on your lips. I did cut this video short because of the mess that I made, but I hope this video was helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video. Mwah.